Good morning to all of you. My name is Surya Sarkar from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Center, Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 9 and today's topic is lines and angle. Today we will do exercise 6.3. In 6.3, the first question from the figure find angle PRQ. This figure is given. In this figure you look that PQT. This angle is given 110 degree. SPR. This angle is given 135 degree. We have to find this angle. This angle means PRQ angle. Okay. So find PRQ angle and this angle. But we know that this is 110 degree. That means this angle plus this angle. This angle means PQR plus PQT. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. It means linear pair. You have to write in full form linear pair. So this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. So this is 110. This plus this 180. That means this is 110. So this will be 70 degree. So this plus this is equal to 180 degree, and we put this value 110 degree. So for PQR equal to 70 degree. We find PQR 70 degree. We find. And in this case also say SPR and RPQ plus. If we do the sum of these, then this angle plus this angle, that will be also 180 degree by linear pair, because this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So this angle SPR and RPQ sum 180. So this is 135. So this will be 45. That means in the same way SPR plus this is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. 135 plus this 180, then RPQ is equal to 45 degree. Then RPQ is equal to 45 degree. So we find this is 70, this is 45 degree. Now we look in angle PQR. So we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means if we do the sum of internal angles of a triangle, then that will be 180 degree. That is called angle sum property. So in angle PQR, P angle plus Q angle plus R angle, that means 70 degree plus 45 degree plus PRQ angle is equal to 180 degree. So PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 70 minus 45 means minus 115. That means angle PRQ is 65 degree. That we find. This we find by the linear pair, but there is another formula or another property is there in case of a triangle. That is, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. That means this angle ACD angle, that is the exterior angle. So ACD angle is equal to this angle opposite interior. What are the interior angles? This is interior angle, this is also interior angle, this is also interior angle. ACB interior, ABC interior, BAC interior. But opposite interior is A and B. This is the ACD, exterior. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. That is one property is there also. We can solve by that method also. This is 110. So this will be this plus this is equal to 110, and this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. By this method also we can solve this. And as question number 3, that is AB parallel DE. AB parallel DE, then BAC is equal to 35 degree. This is given. CDE is equal to 53 degree. That is also given. And these two lines are parallel. So as they are parallel, then we know that this angle is 35. So this angle will also be 35 because of alternate angle. So CED is also 35 by alternate angle. Now in triangle CDE triangle, we know these two angles. This is 53, this is 35. So we can find these by angle sum property, because sum of all these three is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 35 minus 53. So 180 degree minus 80 degree, that is 92 degree. In such a way you solve, because in this triangle this plus this sum of these three is 180. So we know these two, then we find the third one. So in next question, question 4, in this figure, this is given that this angle, that is PRT, this is 40 degree. RPE, that is 95 degree. TSQ, that is 75 degree. We have to find this angle. This angle is SQT. SQT angle we have to find. SQT angle. Now look, this angle is 95, this angle is 40. So we can find this angle by angle sum property. Of triangle, angle sum property. Because in triangle PRT, PTR is equal to, that means this angle is equal to, this is the triangle, this is 95, this is 40. So we can find this because sum of these three angle 180 degree. Sum of this P95 plus 40 plus this is equal to 180 degree, and that is angle sum property. So from direct we can find this angle equal to 180 degree minus this. So directly we find that is 45 degree. And PTR. Now look, this angle is, we find out from there 45. This angle become 45. Now vertically opposite angle is QTS. That is also 45 degree. Because this is also STQ. That is also vertically opposite angle. So this angle 45. So this angle will be 45. Now in this triangle TQS or STQ, we know two angles. Then in the same way we can find the third angle, and third angle will be this plus this equal to 180 degree. So angle sum property, and from there we find SQT equal to 180 degree minus 75 minus 45. That is SQT, angle SQT equal to 60 degree. So we find. Now this property I discussed again. I am telling the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this angle, that is the exterior angle. This angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. Means A angle plus B angle is equal to ACD angle. That is the exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. How it is there? Look here. Suppose A angle means A, B angle means B, and C angle means C, and this angle ACD means D angle. Now we know that A plus B plus C, sum of three angles. A plus B plus C, sum of three angles is 180 degree. Why that is 180 degree? Because angle sum property. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In a triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degree. So, but we know that C plus D also 180 because of linear pair. C plus D also 180 degree of linear pair. So this is the first equation. And this is the second equation. So from 1 and 2, we can say this is also 180, this is also 180. So this is equal to this. A plus B plus C is equal to C plus D. Now both sides C are there. So C cancel out. We reduce C and C cancel. So A plus B is equal to D. A means this angle, BAC angle. B means ABC angle. And D means ACD angle. Now look. BAC plus ABC plus ABC is equal to ACD angle. So hence 2. But I will send you this. I have as an example I have given you. I will send you the proper solving of that in your assignment. So you complete all these things. Okay, thank you.